the LA price puzzle. Why do homes get listed high and then drop? Hi, I'm Carolyn Alaverdi. From Real Estate by Carolyn over at Balboa Real Estate. Ever wonder why some homes in LA hit the market with huge price tags only to drop later? It's the LA price puzzle. It starts with the seller's dreams and wishes. They might be hoping for a bidding war like they did in the good old days, or just emotionally attached to their amazing home. They might even try to leave room for negotiation, but the market talks back. If buyers aren't biting and inventory increases, that initial price might be too high. Higher mortgage rates also impact affordability. Plus, a home sitting on the market too long gets a stale vibe. That's when price reductions happen. It's all about finding that sweet spot where buyers see value and feel ready to make an offer. Remember, the longer a home sits, the more it can depreciate. The key: realistic pricing, understanding the market, and maybe working with a real estate pro to help you find the perfect price. Thinking of selling in LA? Let's talk. Find your home's true value, not just a high one. Carolyn Alaverdi from Real Estate by Carolyn over at Balboa Real Estate, putting you first every step of the way.